Just take this file to us. Okay. Welcome, young man. What can I do for you?
My name is Nemeka Maduka, son of Chikeze and Ezinne Maduka. And this is my friend Duncan. I was born in this hospital 35 years ago.
Really?
Yes. My mother told me that you are the matron who delivered me.
It has been a long time, my son. And I have dealt with so many people that I can hardly remember.
I know. Actually, I don't live here in the village. I've been away for a very long time, for many years. I stay in Lagos. Yes, I was coming back and, on my way back, I saw your hospital. It brought back memories, so I decided to stop by. I must commend you, madam. I mean, all these years, you're still running this place, although a lot of things have happened, but you're trying. You're still delivering health services to our people.
My dear, thank you so much. It is God. We just do our best and leave the rest to God.
And my mother told me that the day we were discharged, she didn't have money to pay the bills. The nurse insisted that we will not leave until she pays. She couldn't do anything about it because there was no money. You came, you heard what was happening, you wrote off the bill and asked us to leave.
I can't even remember because I've done so for so many of our people.
Thank you. Thank you so much. You have really done your best. But it can be better. My friend and I, when we walked in, before we came into your office, we decided to take a look around. We noticed that the hospital has gone through a lot. A couple of things are no longer in place as they used to. So I made some arrangements for something to get to you. This is a check of 10 million naira. Just put your name there. Cash the money, use it to upgrade some facilities in the hospital.
10 million? For me?
Yes, you deserve it, madam. Just put your name and you can cash the check.
And I will be supporting him with 1 million naira. Yes.
Hey!
Just give me your account number before we leave. I will fix that.
God. What is happening? Is this real or am I dreaming? I can't believe it. Hey, God! Oh my God. Oh my God. Hey! Me. All this for me. I know, oh my God, that my Redeemer lives. I know he's not far from me. Oh my God. I know when he is.
It's okay. It's okay.
Imanifu godogu, igama godogu, onye mana game, osisi enelanyo nida, ndemeka nwa maduka, nwa, emeka TIGANA, oke nwa na muro obodo, dogu na mile ka agụ obodo nekwani ya. Umutim kingdom, nwa gotago.
Chenduka, I greet you.
I greet you too. Onye ka nkene biko?
It's me, Nemeka, son of Maduka.
Nemeka kwa? Son of Maduka. Which Maduka?
Maduka Okeke.
Hey! Nemeka, is this you? Nemeka nyao! Hey! I cannot believe this. I cannot believe this. You're welcome, my son.
Meet my friend Duncan.
You're welcome too.
No.
None.
Okay. Where are you going to?
We are going to Nogu's house for a meeting. Our Igwe died since 3 years. and we are yet to have a replacement. That is what we are going to deliberate on.
I see. That's quite serious.
I believe God will help us make a good choice.
Amen.
Hey, Nameka. Where are you coming from now? Where are you coming from? And where are you going to? Nameka, who owns all these motors? All these motors, who own them?
It's too many questions. Too many questions. Don't worry, I'll answer all of them in the evening. I'll come see you in your place, 5 p.m. 5 p.m. I'll come to you.
Okay, now. I'll be expecting you. Hey, none. Welcome. Okafu. Even a man. Nobody na make up bossy.
All the evil plans against you, Makugo chala chemwara kwa chuchu, ugo chala chemwara kwa nuchu. Ubune kwalugo, umutim kingdom, mwaka mwaka tago. Hey, mwana yese, obele mwana yese. Ubune kwalugo, umutim kingdom. Emeka tigana bodogu, mwaka mwaka tago. Hey, mwana yese. Ebine chitira fuzo.
Even a man, no pull. Hey, oh, even a man. As noble no one will to judge and okay, poor man. Eh? Now gonna go Buzwaki or Chake.
One mentally.
Nam. Look at small Nameka. Look at small Nameka of yesterday. A young man that was chased out by his uncle under some unpleasant circumstances.
Hey!
It's now somebody everybody will want to celebrate. Look at the affluence. Hey!
That's why our people say that nobody can predict tomorrow.
Good.
There is nothing the Lord cannot do. Odera, Odokwenu, Murive Chineke omume. Are kuzonaga.
You have spoken the truth, Wosu, you have spoken the truth. Hey!
Na nke akuzikwelu ma onye
have spoken. Biano ka ijebe ba ije.
Echi nke akuzila mmadụ echi akwụkwọ. Na anya okwudukwulu edebe onu kwulu onye. Onye odukwu uche na
Imani ifu godogu, iga magwadogu, onye mana geme, osisi enelanyo nida, ndemeka nwa mmaduka, mwaka nwa, emeka TIGANA, oke nwa na muro obodo, dogu na mile ka agụ obodo nekwani ya. Umutim kingdom, mwaka nwa batago. Hey, mwana yesu, obele mwana yesu, obodo kwalugo. Umutim kingdom, emeka TIGANA bodogu, mwaka nwa batago. Hey, mwana yesu, ebine chitira fuzo. Imaboyobu. Hey, emeka TIGANA, imaboyobu. Obele mwana yesu, imaboyobu. Odogu nemile kago, imaboyobu. Hey, kina maka, imaboyobu. Akweli selisi pampwego, imaboyobu. Ijibanya gina beje, imaboyobu. Enemies masquerade odogu, imaboyobu. Obadanye kwalugo, obade kwalugo. Umutim kingdom, mwaka mwa batago. Hey, mwana yesu, obele mwana yesu, obade kwalugo. Umutim kingdom, emeka TIGANA bodogu, mwaka mwa batago. Hey, mwana yesu, ebine chitira fuzo, imaboyobu. Hey, emeka TIGANA, imaboyobu. Obele mwana yesu, imaboyobu. Odogu nemile kago, imaboyobu. Hey, kitiri, imaboyobu. Akweli selisi pampwego, imaboyobu. Imaboyobu. Enemies masquerade odogu, imaboyobu. Emeka TIGANA, okay man, you know they talk too much. You believe in action. What a great philanthropist you are. Yes. Nemeka Wamaduka. Emeka Tigana. Mwabi Adiocha. All the evil plans against you. Fenemena Kitty. Makugo Charache Warako Juju. Ugo Charache Warako Noju. Ubode Kwalugo. Yeah. Umutim Kingdom. Umutim Kingdom. Mwaka Mwabatago. Hey. Mwana Yese. Obele Mwana Yese. Ubode Kwalugo. Umutim Kingdom. Emeka Tigana Bodogu. Mwaka Mwabatago. Hey.
Bodogu. Iwele ije kisiku. Iwele ije kisiku.
Yes.
Omerikopulu.
Hey,
No.
Chenduka. Hey, ezigbo mmadụ.
Dalo.
Ezigbo mmadụ.
Dalo. Ademma.
Wow. I thank God. God has blessed me. Yes. Over the years. My years of toiling, my years of hard work. God crowned those years with blessings.
Amen.
Too much blessings, though. I cannot lie. The cars you saw with me, they're all my cars. Huh? A few of them, actually. I have more. I have chains of businesses with branches in Lagos, Abuja, and Port Harcourt. More branches coming soon. I also do business abroad. When you saw me, I was coming from my house in Lagos, heading to my house in the village here.
Your house?
Yes. I built a house in Uneze, Kindred.
Hold on, please. Are you the owner of the big house everybody's talking about? The only of such house in Uneze?
Yes.
Hey!
By the grace of God, it's my house.
Hey! Even
Yes, it's my house. To the glory of God, it's mine. You know, Ibekwe chased out my mother and I and took over my father's property. I had no choice. By the time God blessed me, I didn't want trouble. I just went to the next village and bought land there and built my house.
Hey, who would have believed that the poor wretched Nemeka of yesterday would have turned out like this?
It's God.
Hey,
God is just wonderful.
the news is everywhere. What you gave to the metro and the community school, even the microfinance bank of the community.
Yeah, it's my style. Yes, I believe in giving. I believe in lifting others. Yes, I believe in helping others. You know, it's quite difficult right now doing business at that low level and still, you know, keep on thriving. Not easy at all. So if you can get a little push, why not?
God will continue to bless you.
Amen.
God will continue to bless you.
Amen.
And God will continue to bless you.
Amen. Amen. And bless you too, sir. Bless you too. You see, I've not forgotten what you did for me and my mother. How you stood by us in our trying time. You know, most difficult time of our lives. You were there for us. Thank you, sir.
My dear, it has always been my policy to stand for the truth, no matter what happens.
I know. Keep it up, sir. Keep it up.
Thank you. Hey,
Sir, Chenduka, a little token of appreciation from me. 500,000 naira.
Hey! Hey! Even I go Riken no begu. Ibo bakalia. Ogiligo Mban. I'm Jideche. I should keep it up. Hey! Mban. Ofoya da nu debe. Chichi! Malobum! Palibiaba na agbo onye bụ na eko boya na nu debe. Hey! E wuchi mukwe. Nke na agwagoto oyi. Thank Nameko. All this for us. All this for us.
Shy.
All this for us.
Hey, just I want to. Hey,
Chukwu kele Nameko. Binye chibao. Ezi nwoke mara mma. Chukwu gozie go. Chukwu kele Nameko. Binye chibao. Ezi nwoke mara mma. Chukwu gozie go. That reminds me of my days as a youth.
Hey, all this money for us.
Oh my God. If it can happen, may you live long.
Amen.
May you live long.
So wonderful.
I will grab a wonderful.
Lovely to see all of you.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Everybody knows what happened to Nanuli.
Thank you.
I don't know. Instead of everybody knows what Nanuli.
Thank you.
Okay, one child, baby.
All right, I'll go straight to the point. Yes. I called for this meeting for 3 reasons. First, I want to reintroduce myself because I've been away for a while. Been away from this village, and I left this village under unpleasant circumstances. I believe most of you know this story. But God chose to wipe my tears away. God has blessed me. And for that reason, I bear no grudges.
Okay.
Yes. Yes, I have chosen to forgive and forget. Secondly, I want to thank you all for the way you've been running the affairs of this village, of our community. Our king has been gone for about 3 years now, without any replacement. But you all here have made sure that everything has been going smoothly. Issues are handled amicably, justly, most importantly, and for that reason, you have my utmost respect. Oh yes. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. And third reason, and of course, the last, maybe. I intend to give my mother a befitting burial. Befitting burial. My mother died many years ago when I had nothing. And my mother suffered to raise me. And even while dying, she kept on suffering. At that time, I had nothing. But I made a vow that I was going to give my mother a befitting burial. I did the much I could do at that time. Then I started hustling. And maybe because of my vow, God decided to bless me. Today I want to give her the kind of burial that a man like me will give to his mother. Because sitting with you now, by the special grace of God, I am one of the richest young men in this country.
Okay. Say it again! Say it again! That is what it is.
I can decide to bury my mother in the southeast, very high in southwest, very high in northeast. Everywhere they point. Money speaks.
Money speaks.
It's our son. Of course.
Money speaks.
You're welcome very much. So, it will be a grand event. A lot of dignitaries will be coming from far and wide, and even outside the country. It will be a memorable event. So I seek your cooperation and guidance for me to achieve my dream. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
And God bless you.
Thank you, our son, and welcome once again. It has always been our prayers that good things come into our community. And this is one of the best things to happen to our community in a long while. You're welcome. We are so amazed, in fact, astonished by what you've done for our community hospital, our community school. That school that is totally dilapidated. We have spoken to government over and over, and nobody listens to us. And you just come now and have upgraded it overnight. Thank you very much. Not to forget what you've done to our community bank. It has become like one of the big banks but it's a huge deposit we did there. We cannot continue to count. There is so much you have done. Morankaga go, Garibea. We are indeed proud of you. You are a worthy son of Umudim. You're welcome. As per your mother's burial, trust us to give you the best of our cooperation. Anything you need from us, the Ichies, and the entire community, please do not hesitate to ask. I will give you even extra. Well, on that day, we'll show you that indeed you are most welcome back to your community, Umudim.
So please drink, drink.
Hello, sir.
Zog, where are you?
I'm in a meeting.
Is it a meeting called by that small boy?
Yes. In fact, I'm wondering why Ono even called us in the chair to attend a meeting with this small boy. This nobody.
Very shameful. What is he talking about?
Nothing, no. He's just boasting what he has done and what he intends to do here and there.
What is he saying? What has he done for the community? Anyway, I want us to see you gently. There are a few things to sort out.
Let me hang around for some while and then see what he's up to.
Okay. Come over immediately you finish.
I will, sir. Thank you, sir.
All right. Thank you.
Zion. Sir. Olu. Tell. Start from here. This way. Hand over the back to the nose. Elders. My elders, in your hands, you have 500,000 naira each. Yes. And then, Onowu has a little more. Please don't be jealous. He's the Onowu. Please spend as you like. A gift from me to you. Spend as you like.
Hey!
And last but not the least, I'm aware that I heard from some reliable sources that some of you here intend to take new younger wives. I said you see, you know, I found out that once a man starts getting old, he begins to look for younger women to help the system. Pin up. Yeah, so if you have such plans, I will support you.
I'm disappointed in you so-called elders. Why are you so gullible? A Yahoo boy calls you to a meeting to give you money. Instead of asking the source of his money, you start jumping up and down praising him. If alone,
exactly, Ako. That is why I did not touch the money.
Did you ask for the source of his money to be able to spray such money? Did you?
They say that he's an importer and exporter, and he has many hotels.
Importer and exporter of what? Silver or gold? Huh? Look at what he's using to confuse you people. A son of a nobody calling you to a meeting and you're attending, and you call yourself elders.
Ako, the meeting actually took place in Onowo's house.
What's the difference? What's the difference? The boy called for a meeting. Onowu hosted it. Onowu at that level. Poor child. Blood money. A small boy whose money has no foundation. Because why you go the candidate come when the foundation real money? Did you ever ask? And you, instead of concentrating on Ife Day at stake, which is making me an Igwe, you benefit greatly and graciously from it. Ijana Abuego, I'm disappointed.
Our Igwe in waiting. We are sorry for that. And such a thing will never happen again in this, our community. Umudim. You already Igwe.
Akobaro, Omamezi Ozoi. Omame.
It's already 10 o'clock. Go home, Pico. Go home.
Thank you.
Igwe.
Good night, sir.
And you see them walk around. You think human beings are walking around. You don't know it's Elieba, dogs. You're a good son of this land.
Chief.
I must tell you, I like to see younger men do the things you're doing. We must tell ourselves the truth. When you have achieved in the city, you must come and show your people that you have achieved. And you have done that very well.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Chief. Chief. Oh, this is a good. Chief. This is also for you.
Oh, yeah. Yes. Anyamajoro holiday.
To this one, sir.
Yes.
Cola for you, sir. Pico. I want to use that one over there and this one as cola to invite you to my mother's final burial rites. The invitation card will be out soon and I'll send it over. Yes, Chief, you're a good man. Yes, a prominent son of our place. and the foremost philanthropist.
And Igwe in waiting.
Oh, forgive me, sir. I heard. Igwe. Congratulations, sir.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
I have heard so much about you. And I have been expecting this visit. I didn't even know it would come this soon.
Thank you, sir.
I made my name and money in Lagos and then decided to come back to the village to help the community. And I'm very excited and happy that you are following my footsteps.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Well, as they say, curiosity kills the cat. I want to know what kind of business you're into so that we can see whether we can do business together.
That would be nice, sir. That would be very nice. Thank you very much, sir. I'm into the hospitality business. Yes, I own TIGANA group of companies. TIGANA hotels, TIGANA clubs. We have branches in Abuja, Lagos, and Port Harcourt. Other branches coming soon. I'm also into real estate. I buy houses, I buy estates, I buy lands, I develop, and I sell. Yes, I'm also into exotic wines. Yes, I produce wines as well. Good ones. Yes, and so many other things.
And you achieved this all in your young age?
It's God.
This God must be wonderful.
It's just God, it's just God. Anytime I come back home, I try to encourage our people. You know what they say, we rise by lifting others. Yes, just as you have been doing. It will not be good, for it to be just me and you doing well in the community. We need to raise more people. The more people who can do the things we do, the better for our community.
Very well, and very well thought out. I will attend the funeral.
Thank you, sir.
And I'll come with my fellow Igwes. Just make sure you prepare well for us.
I'm equal to the task.
I know. From this, I know.
Yes, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. I'll be ready for you.
Okay.
Thank you so much for the warm welcome.
Thank you.
Because I permit us, we have to be on our way.
Yes.
I'll be leaving for Lagos tomorrow morning.
I wish you a safe trip when you are going. Make sure you keep in touch.
I will.
Alone. Like you said, we rise by lifting others.
Yes.
Very important.
Imani fugodogu, iga magwodogu, onye mana game, osise de la nyoneda, ndemeka wamaduka, mwakamwa, emeka tikana, okanwa na mulo bodo, dogu na mile kagu bodo ne kwaniya. Umutim kingdom, mwakamwa batago. Hey. Obele mwana nyeze Obodo kwalugo Umotim kingdom Emeka tigana bodogu Mwaka mwabatago Hey Mwana nyeze Ebine chiti ida fuzo Imoboyobu Hey Emeka tigana Imoboyobu Obele mwana nyeze Imoboyobu Odogu nemile kago Imoboyobu Hey Kina maka Imoboyobu Akweli selisi pampwego Imoboyobu Ichikwanya gina beje Imoboyobu Enemies masquerade odogu Imoboyobu Obadanye kwelugo Obade kwelugo Umutim kingdom Mwaka mwaka tago.
So you're the Tigana I've been hearing about. My goodness, you look so good.
Thank you.
Well, my name is Adora. I'm the princess of this community. I'm actually a Lagos big babe. Too bad, my father brought us down here because he wants to be king. And it's been nearly 2 years and nothing has happened. I really need to move on with my life. Sorry, not to bore you with my talk. How can I meet you later?
Okay, I'll be leaving for Lagos tomorrow morning. But I'll definitely return for my mother's final burial rites. So maybe we'll see when I get back.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, Can I have your number so I can chat to you privately? Thank you. Thank you so much. So I'm going to chat to you. Please reply.
Get inside. Get inside. If your father catches you here, he will skin you alive. Oh! Strong man. You know, you didn't do well. Those things you brought, you just brought them for my husband. My husband is blessed with stinginess. Believe me, he will not give me a dime from those things you brought. So, I do not be embarrassed. Ah, you are indeed a strong man. I go.
Hurry up, huh? There you go.
Woo! Thank you. I will manage this. I will. Thank you very much. Run along.
Emeka TIGANA bodogu mwaka mwabatago.
Hey, baby.
Don't leave me. What's the meaning of this?
Meaning of what?
These are the particulars of the car you claim to have bought for me.
Of course, I can see.
Whose names are on those particulars?
My name.
Your name. And you claim to have bought the car for me. Later on, your friends will start boasting that you bought the latest Benz for your fiancé, not knowing you bought the car for yourself, and just allow me to use it.
I don't believe this. Is this how to welcome me back from the village?
How am I supposed to welcome you? Did we not speak on phone? You just bought this car for me shortly before you left the village, and I did not have enough time to go through it. I'm just so disappointed.
Why are you being disappointed?
You did not buy this car for me. I'm a lawyer and I know the implications of this. You can legally take the car away from me when we have issues in the future.
What is wrong with you? Are we planning to have issues? Huh? Are you planning to have issues with me? The car is yours. Doesn't matter. You can decide to do change of ownership. It's your car.
And why would I go through the stress of change of ownership when you would have just bought the car in my name?
Chris, I don't believe you're going through this. Listen to me, my love. This is not an issue. Alright? It's your car. This is not going to be the only car I'll buy for you. I'll still buy bigger cars for you. Doesn't matter if it's in my name or yours. It's your car. Okay, fine. I'll explain. I got many cars, all right? Some buses were supposed to come in, and then your car as well. I think the problem is from the dealer. He mixed it up. He put your own name in the papers of the bus. I can send for the papers so you see and confirm. I don't believe I'm going through this. I don't believe I'm going through this.
Baby, I understand. It's just that I'm scared. I'm afraid. This was exactly what happened to my mom. My wicked dad took everything away from her when they got divorced and left us stranded. I just don't want to go through what happened to me before again. I don't want to. I'm sorry. Baby, I'm sorry now. I said I'm sorry. I didn't mean to make you sad now. Baby.
It's alright.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. It's alright.
Sorry. But baby, I see no reason why I should attend this burial. We're not married yet.
My darling, don't say that. You're my fiancé. I need you. I mean, if there are legal things to handle, you'll take care of them and other things as well. I'm going to have a lot of billboards all over our village and beyond. The responsibility will be huge, so I need you.
Well, it's not just a burial. You're making it seem as if it's a wedding or a carnival or something big.
Yeah, it's going to be more like a carnival for my mother. Big stuff.
Okay, I'm going to attend. Because I know you're very sensitive when it comes to issues of your mom. But I will come as a visitor, nothing more. And I won't want a repeat of what happened in the past.
And what was that?
My ex, he used me as a poster girl to get favors from ministers. And he later ended up marrying a secondary school local girl. Some men are just so wicked.
I'm not like that. I'm not like that.
It's okay, I'll come. Just to make you happy. I'll come.
It's very important to us. That's why I volunteered to come along with him.
I've heard about Akokalia, Chief Akokalia. Yes, I've heard about him. And I'm just wondering what can be done about the situation. But you people are the elders, kingmakers, stakeholders. Can't you refuse making him king and choose someone else who's worthy?
That's exactly why we are here.
Good, good. So such a man shouldn't be king. At all. A greedy man, no. I don't support him. Show me any man you feel is worthy. A good man who has leadership qualities, who will lead the people right. So I'll give him my support. I promise.
The good news is that we have chosen someone else.
Oh, great.
Sure.
So who is he?
That new person whom we consider to be worthy to be the Igwe of Umudim. That person is seated right here with us.
In this my office?
Yes.
You should have told me that Nduka is the new king. You should have told me.
Nemeka. That somebody else we have chosen is none other than you.
Of course.
Yes. You, Nemeka Maduka, is our chosen candidate.
Me?
Yes.
You must be joking.
Joking?